Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a secure Wi-Fi network for IoT devices, complete guide step by step. First, ensure you have all your IoT devices and your wireless router ready. Unbox your router and connect it to a power source. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router to your modem for internet access. Wait for the router to power up completely until the lights indicate it's ready. Now, connect your computer or smartphone to the router's default Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, usually found on the router or its manual. Log into the router's admin panel with the default credentials provided. Navigate to the wireless settings section of the interface. Change the default SSID to something unique but not personally identifiable. Set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network, using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable WPA3 encryption, if available, for enhanced security. Save all your changes and allow the router to restart if prompted. Next, set up a separate guest network for your IoT devices. Access the guest network settings in the router's admin panel. Provide a different SSID and a secure password for the guest network. Ensure that network isolation is enabled to keep IoT devices separate from your main devices. Connect each IoT device to the guest network using their respective apps or installation processes. Disable any unnecessary features in your router that could introduce security vulnerabilities. This includes features like remote management and universal plug-and-play. Regularly check for any firmware updates for your router. Updating firmware enhances security and performance for your network. Consider setting up a network monitoring tool to keep an eye on connected devices. Always review the list of devices connected to your network periodically. Make sure to remove any unknown or unrecognized devices from your network. Lastly, if your router supports it, enable device-level security features. This may include features like MAC address filtering or access scheduling. With these steps, you'll establish a secure Wi-Fi network for your IoT devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.